Najm Majid Al Futtaim Platinum Cashback Credit Card. If you are looking for a credit card to meet everyday expenses, then this cashback credit card will best suit your necessity. It will prove as one of the most profiting credit cards that will present you with higher discounts on your luxuries and travel. The eligibility for this card includes a minimum salary of 7,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams. Key features: 0 United Arab Emirates dirhams annual fees with good cashback. Offers high discount up to 20% on travel bookings. Proposes up to 30% discounts on shopping, travel, dining in UAE. Also provides you 20% offer at Roxy Cinemas. Savings up to 200 United Arab Emirates dirhams per month. The interest rate on this card is 3.25%, and the Forex rate is 3%. This card helps you in transferring your balance at preferential rates for 12 months. You can avail many privileges at Carrefour and get your monthly vouchers digitally. You can get various other supplementary cards too.